Here's how to make a logo look 3D in Premiere Pro. So this is my main video layer and this is the logo clip or layer. Now we have to right click on the logo layer and click on speed duration, and here duration set only 2 seconds. Give here 0 2. Click on OK. And then go to effects section and search here basic 3D and add the basic 3D effect to your logo layer. Then select the logo layer and go to effect control. Under basic 3D you have to add this playhead at the beginning of your logo and enable keyframe for swivel. Then put this playhead at the end of your logo clip and give value here 360°. And then if I play my timeline, we can see the logo is now spinning. And now just hold on the Alt key and drag this logo layer to make the layer duplicate multiple times, just like this. So here I'm only duplicating 2 times, and now if I play my timeline, we can see my logo is now a 3D logo. Thanks for watching.